Hello, my name is Greg Adkins with Custom Products. I'd like to introduce you to a new tool that we've developed called a hydro tool or a hydro trencher. Mainly the purpose of this is putting fiber from the curb to the house. It's basically using all the components of a standard vac, and we've kind of reconfigured them a little bit to use water to cut about a 3/4 inch slot trench. It goes down anywhere between 6 to 10 inches depending upon how you use it. You see there's the package we've put together for this. I'll explain a little bit more about that later, but ultimately the main portion of the whole project here is the tool itself. And basically what we have is a little handheld tool that you would roll out to the job site. You have a 2-inch suction hose to get rid of the debris, and then you have a water line that comes in here, and it actually puts water on 2 different heads. We have just the a standard head there that you see towards the back right here, that you see on any tool, and then inside of the tool at the very front we have what's called the turbo nozzle. Turbo nozzle, you can use that with any vac. Usually use it on the handheld wash wand. But the combination of the 2 of them, the turbo nozzle inside, and it's flush with the ground as you're cutting. It'll cut anywhere from, it cuts almost about 5 inches deep just on its own. The secondary nozzle in the back will take it down up to about 10 inches depending on how fast the operator's using it. You see a blade right there. The blade is really not cutting anything. Any grass runners that the turbo nozzle does not cut through, the blade there basically just kind of snaps. At the point that the blade is running through the ground, it's really running through open ground. It's really not like a true sod cutter that we've known in the past with our other equipment. And the base on this, you can pop that on and off. So if you don't want to use that cutter, you don't have to. Probably one of the nicest things about this is whenever you are cutting a trench or a slot, you're and you are running into going from the curb to the house, and you're probably going to be more in residential areas putting in fiber or whatever, but you run into places where they have underground sprinkler systems, electrical lines or whatever. The nice thing about this is cutting water, you can actually pass directly over these lines without any fear of cutting or damaging the lines. So here, let's just go ahead and show you the thing in operation, and we'll take her from there.